We are now already in the Zodiac of Gemini, the twins. About all this I wrote in my book about the Zodiac, in different editions, and contains very interesting things about the idea of each zodiac, planets, definitely basically on the book of formation. It's based on it. This is the basis of Jewish astrology. So let us start definitely what is the sign of this month. The sign of Sivan is Gemini. Now Gemini, twins, according to the Zohar, represent Jacob. Very interesting. Why? Because Jacob was a twin to Esau. So both of them really represent completion, because Yaakov was mainly spiritually studying Torah, and Esau, the meaning of Esau, Esav is also lasot, to work, practically, to do mitzvah, to work. But because Esau found it difficult, so he was selling the birthright to Jacob. So Jacob now got two jobs, spiritually, to learn the Torah, to teach Torah, but also to be involved in practical keeping mitzvot and practical work. Right? So this says as well why this month is a month of Gemini, of twins, which is basically Esau and Jacob. This is the Zohar. Explaining why Gemini. Okay, other explanation, the twins represent the oral Torah, the written Torah, Moses and Aaron. Many other interesting explanations, but all of them definitely has its meaning in Judaism. Also, it is interesting to point out that this month, which is the third, after Nisan, Aries, Iyar, Taurus, also represents completion. Why? Because if you listen to my lectures about astrology before, I mentioned was the Holy Ari said, Ari HaKadosh says, that the month of Nisan mainly, and this is its main attribute, is speech, sicha, speaking, Agada. What is Agada? Speech, speaking a lot about God, about faith, about many important things in the Torah. The month Taurus, which comes afterwards, is Mazal Shor. Here is a month of contemplation, as you see, the rule, thinking, mainly work of the mind, thoughts. Then this is a month which is, according to the Ari, its attribute is walking, walking. Which kind of walking? To walk, it's very good to walk, very healthy, but we speak about imper chukotai telechu. If you will walk in my laws, in my Torah, studying Torah. So this is a month of walking, going more and more up and up in studying Torah. This was how we got the Torah in this month. So this is a very interesting stages, starting with speech. One of to see that his speech, his words, his speaking will be right, clean words, studying Torah, and only then his mind will work properly. Then you have to work with his mind, which is Taurus, and now practically to walk in the ways of the Torah. So this is really the way of these 3 months, because this is interpretation of Judaism to the astrology. Much deeper, much wider than the secular. Now, what is also very interesting to point out that today, here in the state, we are in the day of the Omer, the 54 one, which is the sphere, as we normally said, this kind of prayer, Ribono Shel Olam, that by counting this day, let us really rectify the spheres of the day. And the sphere of today, the week is kingdom, Malchut, and the day is Tiferet, glory, harmony. Jacob, Yaakov, right? Definitely Tiferet, like the Gemara said, Lecha Shem HaGdula, there is a verse in Chronicle which said, to you God is greatness, strength, and beauty. The beauty is Jacob, greatness is Abraham, strength, Isaac, and that. So we are now really starting on the day of Jacob, which is really Israel. Israel is Jacob, definitely. Harmony and beauty, this what should be. And the week is kingdom, and kingdom is also definitely what Jews are. As God said, Sinai, you will be for me Mamlechet Kohanim Begoy Kadosh. You will be for me kingdom, a nation of kings. Kingdom. So this is really the day. It is so interesting, the numerical value of this day is Adam, 45, the 45th day. 45 is the numerical value of Adam. Aleph is 1, Dalet 4, Mem is 40. 45 Adam. And our Rabbi said, we Jews are called Adam. It does not mean that the non-Jews not called. The non-Jews called Adam, Zemen. But why Adam? Because in Hebrew, Adam don't have plural. Adam, man. See, we don't have Adamim. We don't have menim. Yeah? Even in English, you don't. Men, so you have men, another word. But why? Because Adam is one unit. All Jewish people are considered like one unit. Yeah? It is famous. This is why Jews are so connected one to the other. Arivim ze laze, definitely. Like, one body, and in one body, any part had an impact on the other part. So this is why Jews really have to be careful, because if they are not okay, so it is the others also not okay. So interesting. So now we started being Adam. Why? So Rabbi said us, because this is the day, today we came to Sinai. We were really coming next to the Sinai mountain, getting the Torah, ready for getting the Torah. And this will change Jews. If they keep the Torah, they will be different people. So when they came, it's one body. Our Rabbi said us that when the Torah speaks about Jewish encamping before Sinai, in front of Sinai, so it's written Vayichan. Vayichan is singular. All the other encamping of Jews all over the stations in the desert, always Vayachanu in plural, because it was argument, not as one body. Only when they were standing in front of Sinai, they really were unlucky not. This is really what happened, and this is this day. And this is also the Zodiac represents, because what is the Zodiac? The Zodiac represents twins, Gemini. Why? Because twins are different, but they are working together. Right? This is exactly what Jews are supposed to be. It is so interesting that in Hebrew you have many interpretations sometimes to one verb. Like Vayichan come for encamping, but Vayichan chen in Hebrew is grace. Find favor, imsochem, favor. Grace. So what is the connection? Because this was a day when Jews came together in front of Sinai, so they found favor, each one found favor in the eyes, no argument. Everyone understands that every Jew has different grace, different destiny, and they don't have to be jealous. God gave you what you need for your purpose, for your goal in life. Don't be jealous. And this is really the idea of Vayichan. They were united because each one appreciates the grace, the beauty of his fellow man, and understood that it's different. So this is really what's supposed to be. Because when it is does not, it's not, but this is only because of the Torah. It is interesting, Torah is called Emet, the truth. But also the same method like Te'om. like twin, but also to להתאים things, to put things together. להתאים. Why? Because only with truth, with the Torah, you are able to work together, to appreciate somebody else, and to understand that your job, your goal in life is different from the other one. And this is what you need, God gave you. It is so interesting that this is really the day for it now, entering the month of Sivan, getting ready for accepting the Torah, and a very interesting explanation for the days. Now each day of these days has specific importance. So this is now also, as we saw in other lectures about different months, we saw that each month has a letter, because the world was created with letters. If you remember, we mentioned also the book of formation related to Abraham, our forefather. So he says that the world was created with the 22 letters, also alphabet, 22, the number 22 also in chemistry important, So because the physical and spiritual goes together. Now, what are the letters? So remember, we mentioned the letter Aleph, Mem, Shin. Those letter Aleph are the letter of the air. Mem, Mayim, water, and Shin, Ash. These are the elements. Then the 7 letters in Hebrew, which is called Beget Kapot. These are letters that can have dot in them, and then they are bet, and if they don't have, they are vet. It means that letters with double meaning according to the punctuation. If there is a dot in it, it's dagesh, we should call dagesh. It is bet. If not, they are soft, vet. Those are the 7 planets that you can see with our eyes. There are more, but we see with our eyes. After using these 7, so altogether we use 10 for the elements and for the planets. So we remain with 12. So those 12 were the letters of each month, and they represent each letter in the Hebrew language, which has a meaning, represent definitely the month. So Nisan, which is the first in the cycle of the spring, which is the Jewish year, really started with the letter Hey, because Aleph we use for the air, Bet for Saturn, Gimel for Jupiter, Dalet for Mars. So now we have the Hey. Taurus, Iyar, Rav. This year, Sivan, Gemini, Zayin. So what is the meaning of the letter Zayin? There are different meanings. Simple Zayin means clay. Zayin is weapon. And Zayin also for Mazon, Lazun, Zanet Haolam Klo, food. What is the idea with this month with food and weapon? Because of the Torah. The Torah is